Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Capcut laptop. To start, go to the link that we leave you in the description of the video. Click on Download. When the file is downloaded, double-click on it. Now, click Yes to authorize. Here, wait for the installation wizard to carry out this process locally. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When this process is finished, wait a moment for the system environment assessment to run. After this, you will have access to Capcut. There you must accept the license terms. You can see the app design. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.